These are the directions for completing your World's Fair thematic map assignment. First instruction is to find a thematic map of your country on Google. So what you're going to do is you're going to open a new tab, you're going to go to Google, and you're going to type in thematic map of whatever your World's Fair country is. We're going to do the United States for this example. You're going to do this first map right here. What you're going to do once you find the map is you're going to either drag it into your document or you're going to copy and paste it into your document. Once you have it pasted into your document, you've already completed steps 1 and 2 of the assignment. The third step is to complete the following sentences. For these sentences here, you're going to replace the words in bold inside the parentheses with information that matches your own map. Essentially, you're going to say what kind of map it is, what the map tells you about your country, and how you know it. As you can see, I've replaced the parentheses with information about this map. I've written, this is an average temperature in July map of the United States. This map tells me that, on average, the temperature is higher in the south and southwest part of the United States in July. I also see that Alaska remains relatively cool during July. That sentence right there is my explanation of what this map tells me about my country. I know this because according to the key, the red and dark red represent warmer temperatures and the yellows represent cooler temperatures. That's my explanation as to how I know this information about my country. Notice that the information that I put in is still in bold so that it stands out when people look at it. Once you have your map in and your information in, you are all set. We're going to format it later. One last thing to note is that when you are looking for your thematic map of your World's Fair country, you should be looking for something that is interesting to you and something that you understand. You also need to look for something that is big enough so that when you put it on a paper and you print it out, it's going to be not blurry. So make sure that you are looking for those kinds of things when you search for your map.